Hi. So today I wanted to make a video about, a video of me cutting my own hair because I'm a fucking idiot. I've been really upset with my hair lately. Let me just give you a little bit of background. I cut my hair probably like last week. No, it was like maybe 3 weeks ago now. So let me just bring it all to the front here. This is how, actually it doesn't look that bad. What am I doing? Oh man, am I gonna regret this? Probably. These layers are shorter. And then these are the longer ones that I don't like because they're like straight. And it bothers me because I want my whole hair to look like this. My whole hair to look like that. I do have a problem with like the underneath or longer layers being straighter. And now of course it's gonna be like one of my best hair days now that I'm recording it. So that's it. I don't know if I should do this or not. I have to think about this. I have to think about this for a few minutes. I'll be back. I'm sorry. I'm having a little bit of panic right now. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. I don't know what to do. Like, I don't want it that short, but like, what the? I don't know, I just don't like it. I look like a wet dog all the time. I don't want to look like a wet dog. I'm trying to ask like the 2 friends that I have about their opinions, and they're just like, don't fucking do it. And I'm like, what if I did it? She's still be my friend. They're like, no. And I'm like, oh god. I'm gonna lose some friends over this. I'm gonna lose, my parents are probably gonna divorce me as their child. I won't even be able to be seen in Dunkin' Donuts anymore because I'll just be so ashamed of myself. Yeah. I could go to like a hairdresser or whatever, but I just went and I don't have money for that. I literally like don't even have money for coffee in the morning anymore. I'm broke, and this is definitely more important. What if I just cut it like not even like the whole layers, just like a little bit. Just like a little bit. Just like a little bit. Ah! I'm almost out of coffee. I'm screwed. Alright. We're gonna suck it up and we're gonna do it. Over here, you don't want anyone seeing what I'm doing in here. Nobody's gonna love me after this. Nobody! Alright. Let's just brush the hair. Do I have like a wet? Do I have a wet? I need like a spray bottle. This has like detangler spray. I'll just dump it out and fill it in with water.
Filling her up. Oh, she's full. Filled it right up.
Should have done this like 2 hours ago, but I was being a little pussy. It smells funky. It smells like farts. I don't like that. I'm gonna regret this, but that's how I feel after every single decision that I make, so does it really matter? No. I'm getting my shirt soaked. That's okay. It's a white t-shirt. Look, now I look like a sleek wet dog. a sleek, wet dog. Katie's gonna regret this, but hopefully not. Oh, I need like a comb, right? Right? This is a comb. This is my brother's comb. So hopefully they'll give me some good luck right now. Should I put down like a towel so my hair doesn't get into weird places? If it gets on the floor, we can just sweep it off, like sweep it up like they do at the barber shop. Beauty on a budget. This shit is already 12 minutes long and I haven't even put a blade to my hair. I don't know. All right, we're going in for our first cut. How big of a strand should I take? I think that's probably good. Get out of there. Oh man, I don't know what I'm doing. We can just like, fuck, I don't know. Let's just cut it. Let's just cut it. Ready? Are we ready? I'm just gonna do it. Oh my god, it's barely cutting. Oh my god, I'm ruining my hair right now. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. I can't believe I just did that. I shouldn't have done that. Oh my god. Alright, well we gotta keep going now. So we'll cut this piece next. Looks good. No strategy here, just chopping pieces. Bye-bye. Alright, that side's done. Oh my god! Look at that difference. Look how much hair I just cut off. You can always cut more off, but you can never put it back. Come on. I'm starting to think these aren't hair cutting scissors. How do I look? Beautiful. Jesus, what am I doing? Oh, I still have my, my ponytails from when I did the initial 11-inch cut. Because I don't want to let them go yet, because I was going to donate them. I just haven't gotten around to it yet. So now I can take this hair and reunite it with the other hair, and they can be friends again. I'm fucking done. I have hair all over me. Yeah. I'll be right back. I'm gonna turn the shower on. So my sister just came home, finished my haircut. She needed help bringing something in from the car. So I went out there. I didn't put a jacket on because it was gonna be quick. Of course, the neighbor's big ass dogs were out there frolicking around in the snow, being all cute and stuff. And one of them just straight up attacked me. Like, look at this. I was bleeding and it's like really itchy. Why did dogs do that to me? Look at this. What did I ever do to you, doggy? I think it's karma for cutting my hair. Honestly, the dog knows what's up. He's like, you bitch. So loving, so caring. I feel like I'm throwing my own ashes away. Hey, so I just wanted to give a quick update on how my hair is looking since the big chop. And it's been like almost an hour, I think, and it's been drying. And I'm honestly very happy with the results. Wow, I did a good job. Like, okay, I think that this side is shorter than this side, I think. So I can always go back and just trim this side a little bit more. But, wow, like it doesn't even look bad. Like it's like, oh shit, that's a touch lamp, so you know. I love it. Like, I honestly love it. It already feels so much better. It like has so much more volume. See, look at that. I could be a model right now. And I could be a hairdresser, so you know. You want a cheap haircut? Hit me up.
Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck 'cause that's your birthday.